A single drop of water contains a universe of life, a testament to nature's microscopic marvels. This microscopic world, often unseen, holds the keys to life's greatest evolutionary puzzles. Tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, have shaped our planet for billions of years. Their struggles for survival, their adaptations, reveal a profound story of change. Understanding these minuscule battles offers a unique window into evolution's grand design. It's a realm where immense power and delicate balance constantly collide. These organisms are not just simple life forms, they are ancient architects. They perfected survival strategies long before complex creatures even appeared on Earth. Consider the humble bacterium, a single-celled marvel of resilience and adaptability. Its existence is a continuous experiment in genetic innovation and environmental response. Think of DNA as a vast instruction manual, constantly being edited and rewritten. Random mutations, like typos, can sometimes unlock incredible new abilities. These small changes, passed down through generations, accumulate over immense timescales. This process is the very engine of evolution, driving life in fascinating new directions. But that's not the strangest part. Some microbes can survive conditions that would instantly destroy most other life. They thrive in boiling hot springs, deep ocean vents, and even radioactive waste. This extreme resilience hints at ancient origins, perhaps even life's very first forms. Imagine life starting in such harsh environments, incredibly robust from the outset. These extremophiles are living fossils, showcasing life's tenacious grip on existence. Their genes offer clues about early Earth conditions and the origins of metabolism. Scientists study them to understand how life might exist on other planets. It's like finding blueprints for life itself, hidden in plain sight. Wait until you hear what comes next. Then there are the viruses, entities so small they challenge our definition of life. Are they living, or just complex chemical machines waiting for a host? Their evolutionary dance with cellular life is a constant arms race. Viruses hijack cellular machinery, forcing it to replicate them relentlessly. This parasitic relationship drives rapid genetic change in both virus and host. Over eons, this leads to incredible diversification and complexity in the living world.
Think of the immune system as a constantly evolving defense force.
It learns and adapts, developing new strategies against ever-changing viral threats. And then something unexpected happened. This intricate interplay has also shaped our own human genome profoundly. Ancient viral infections are embedded within our DNA, remnants of past invasions. These relics can influence our health, our traits, and even our behavior. It's a stark reminder that we are deeply interconnected with the microbial world. Every organism, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the grand ecosystem. The intricate web of life is built upon countless such microscopic interactions. These tiny actors have sculpted continents, oceans, and the very air we breathe. Their evolutionary journey is our evolutionary journey, intertwined completely. Understanding macroevolution starts with appreciating the microevolutionary battles.
The pressure to survive, to reproduce, drives innovation at every level.
Consider the cheetah's speed, intertwined completely, or the peacock's elaborate tail, a flamboyant display for attracting mates. These striking features are the visible outcomes of microscopic genetic changes, but the unseen world provides even more astonishing examples of adaptation. Look at the incredible camouflage of a chameleon, blending perfectly with its surroundings. This ability evolved over vast periods, favoring individuals with better concealment. It's a silent battle of survival, played out in predator and prey. The arms race between predators and prey drives rapid evolutionary innovation. One side evolves a new defense, the other a new way to overcome it. This constant pressure creates an astonishing array of specialized forms and functions. And then something unexpected happened. Even seemingly simple structures, like insect wings, represent evolutionary leaps. They opened up entirely new ecological niches and modes of dispersal. The ability to fly revolutionized life on Earth, spreading species far and wide. The development of complex eyes, like those of an insect, is another marvel. Thousands of tiny lenses working together create a panoramic, motion-sensitive view. This intricate design arose from gradual improvements over millions of years. It's a testament to nature's ability to solve complex problems with simple building blocks. Studying these tiny marvels reveals the universal principles governing all life's evolution. The drive to adapt, to survive, to reproduce is a force shaping everything. These microscopic battles are the foundation upon which all visible life is built. The grand narrative of evolution is written in the smallest, most persistent forms. If you found this journey into the microscopic world fascinating, subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments what evolutionary marvels you'd like to explore next. Subscribe for more incredible stories, and don't forget to like this video.